For reading today, we are in week 1, day 3. So you're going to want to scroll down until you see day 3, physical science, sound, and music. Then you press Take Me There. Here we've got our fiction story. It gives a story that has characters and a setting. It's called Zin, 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 a Violin. Here we've got our non-fiction book, all about sound. It teaches us things and gives us information. You can watch the story for Zin, 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 a Violin by pressing here or over here. You can read the book for All About Sound by pressing here or over here. When you are done reading the books, you can do the puzzlers by pressing on Word Match and Fact or Fiction, and you can dive deeper by pressing Explore the Web and Meet the Creators. When you are all done reading the 2 books and doing the activities, don't forget it's important for you to still press the blue turn-in button. Even though you aren't typing anything in on this assignment and you aren't uploading anything, you are still showing me that you did it by pressing the blue turn-in button. Also, remember that it is very important to practice your reading. So you should be reading books at your house or going on to Epic Books and reading books there. Happy reading!